everyone. My name is Karen Connolly. I'm a member of the Scituate Select Board. It's Monday, February 2nd, and we're here to provide you with a news update. I'm here with Jim Boudreau, our town manager, and Bill Burkhead, our school superintendent. I have a couple of brief announcements to make before I turn it over to Jim. There is a Board of Selectmen meeting tomorrow night starting at 6:30. It will be on Zoom. You can check the town's website for the agenda and how to participate if you wish to. The South Shore Irish Heritage Trail will be featured on Seamus Mulligan's radio show on Sunday, February 28th at 3 p.m. You can tune into, I think it's 9:50 a.m., but you might want to check it out online. You can just you can Google Seamus Mulligan's radio show, and it will give you the information. And finally, the MBTA meeting to discuss service cuts will be held virtually from 6 to 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. Or is it Wednesday evening, maybe? I think it's Wednesday evening. At any rate, if you would like to participate in that discussion, go to the MBTA webpage to register. And with that, I will turn it over to Jim.
Before I do my update, Karen, I will confirm it is 9:50 a.m. WROL, the Irish Hit Parade on Saturdays and Sundays were a staple in my family growing up. So,
okay.
Yes, 9:50 a.m. For vaccinations, we are now in phase 2, step 2 of the vaccination schedule. Residents 65 and over are residents with 2 or more comorbidities are now eligible for the vaccination. So comorbidities are people who have existing health conditions that COVID-19 makes worse. So you can go to the website and look at what those comorbidities are. Cancer, heart disease, things like that are comorbidities. And you can find out based upon your own health situation, whether you are eligible for the vaccine at this point. There is no proof required. It is an honor system, but the list of the comorbidities is on the state website. If you want to get a vaccine, if you're in those groups, again, you have to go to the state website to sign up to get a vaccine. There's an interactive map of sites. Marshfield Fair is up and running again. They got more vaccines this week. They will accept appointments in Marshfield based on available doses. So when they get told that they're getting 1,000 vaccines, they will then post up 1,000 appointments on their website. Check back regularly on that. The state website, the mass vaccination sites like Gillette and Fenway Park, they reload on Thursdays for the following week. So on Thursday of this week, they will post all the vaccinations for the following week because that's when they find out from the feds how many vaccines they're going to be getting for the following week. We gave out our clinic last week. On Tuesday, we had about 100 people come down and we vaccinated them down at the Harvard Community Building. When that vaccination clinic was ended, the state announced that local cities and towns would no longer be getting vaccinations to have local clinics. They're going to focus on the big sites. They're going to focus on the pharmacies. So we will not be having, at this point, additional clinics for people to get vaccinated. If you got vaccinated last Tuesday, we will be provided with enough vaccine to give you your second dose when the time comes. But if you're a Scituate resident and you are waiting for Scituate to have additional clinics, my advice to you would be do not wait because we do not know at this point if we will get any additional vaccine. So get onto the state website. I know it's a pain. Keep checking. Check in the morning, check at noon, check at night, because the individual sites will post when they get vaccine. Again, the state posts on Thursday. If you can't get an appointment or you're having trouble, 211 is the state number. 781-545-8722 is our local council on aging, and they can help you. Since last Monday, we had 32 new cases in Scituate. That's up 4 from the week before when we had 28. Still significantly lower than our January numbers and our early February numbers. So we are moving in the right direction. We are yellow on the state positivity map. Last 14 days was 2.98%, down from 3.63% the previous week. The statewide positivity rate yesterday for the past 14 days was 2.7, down from 3.40 the previous week. So the numbers are moving in the right direction. We need people to continue to be vigilant, to continue to wear their masks, continue to wash their hands, and probably most importantly, if you're sick, stay home. Don't go out. If you traveled last week for school vacation, you need to follow the travel protocols upon returning to Massachusetts. You must quarantine for up to 10 days or produce a negative PCR test that has been administered up to 72 hours prior to your arrival in Massachusetts. The guidelines for this can be found on the state website, or if you go to the school website, they have a COVID vaccine protocol for people who travel. If you went to a low-risk state, you do not have to quarantine. The only low-risk states right now are Hawaii, North Dakota, and Puerto Rico. So please keep doing the right things. Please keep wearing your mask. Please keep social distancing. And these numbers will get better. The vaccination rates are going up. It's taken a while, but we will get there. Even though there's a lot of snow on the ground, beach stickers are on sale, as I announced last week. Beach stickers went on sale last Tuesday. Non-resident All Beach and non-resident Hummerock stickers sold out in less than 2 hours. So if you are a non-resident, there are no stickers left for you. If you are a resident, you still can get your beach stickers. You can do it online through the town website, treasurer collector's office. Make your payment online and we'll mail the sticker out to you. It's a very easy process, very quick. But non-resident beach stickers, if you have friends who are non-residents and they've been bugging you about getting a sticker, too late, they're gone. I want to thank all the DPW employees, speaking of the snow, for the storm last week. It might not have seemed like a big storm to us, but they came in Thursday morning at 6:30 and it kept snowing and it kept snowing and it kept snowing. And then when it stopped snowing, it started freezing. So they were here till 2 o'clock Friday night, Saturday morning. So almost 48 straight hours they were working. They did a fantastic job. It's really unsung people who get us in and out when we have to get in and out. So thank you to them for all their work. Hopefully they have a couple days now where they don't have to go out and plow with salt or sand. But I think we will probably get some rain tonight. So I bet they'll be out in the morning early again, looking for some slick spots and some ice spots. So you see the DPW guys, say thank you. They did a lot of work last week and they did a very good job. Finally, the online survey for the Pier 44 is still up. I think we'll keep it up for about another week. We have just under 900 responses in the first 2 weeks. You can see the QR code outside of the community center. There's a link on our website, and there's a QR code sign at the library and a QR code sign here at the town hall. Take a picture with your phone. It'll take you right to the survey. It takes less than 5 minutes, but we really want to know what people are thinking in terms of the reuse of the Pier 44 or the reuse of that site. So we'll keep that up for at least another week, see where we are, and then report back to the board. And that's what I have at this point.
Thank you, Jim. And now I'll turn it over to Bill Burkhead, our school superintendent. The kids are just back from vacation. Good morning, Bill.
Good morning, Karen. Thank you so much. Yes, they are. And I was fortunate enough to be out front greeting our students at the Heatherly Elementary School this morning and their parents and the staff. So welcome back, everybody. As the kids came in, I did a quick lap around the school to say hi and welcome back. And they were all ready, grinding away back to work. So they were excited to see their friends, their teachers, and to get back into some structured learning. So that was all good stuff. So shout out to all of them. As far as our COVID update for the schools, there have been 7 reported cases. We keep track over the vacations. So this was from February 13th through the 19th, which is a February vacation week. The total number of cases for the school year is now 147, and our school community has been notified of all cases to date. Tonight we have a very important school committee meeting kicking off at 6 p.m. Two major topics are the FY22 public hearing on our Scituate Public Schools budget. We'll also be presenting that budget tomorrow at the select board meeting and Thursday at the advisory committee meeting. And we're excited to do that and get the community's feedback, as well as all the 3 boards. Also on tonight's agenda is the reopening schools plan presentation for our school committee to take a vote. The highlights of the plan include a phased-in approach to bringing students back in person. Phase 1 includes returning students to in-person learning on Wednesdays, which is now a fully remote day in our hybrid model, beginning March 3rd. And then phase 2 would bring back all K-5 students 5 full days effective March 29th. So more details on that tonight. And finally, I'll wrap up with a positive. We received a sailor shutout from Police Chief Mark Thompson this week, and I'm just going to read it all here because I fully agree with it, and it kind of goes in with the vaccination approach and the collaboration between town and schools. I wanted to reach out to express our sincere appreciation for the amazing work performed by your team of nurses. Their efforts in ensuring the safe and effective distribution of the COVID-19 vaccination for public safety personnel was absolutely critical. We are truly grateful for the dedication and isn't demonstrated by. And just a quick shout out to these nurses for their dedication. Lauren Bennett, Ellen Claflin, Mary Ryan Conway, Jessica Jones, Karen McDonald, Linda Marduz, Kelly Roach, Pam Sargent, Marnie Sham, Allison Viviano, and Barbara Eucnis. So thank you all, and thank you, Chief Thompson, for sending that over. And we appreciate the collaboration to get our townsfolk vaccinated, and look forward to continuing that partnership. So thank you.
That's great. It just proves we're all one town. We're all in it together. So that's a good thing to remind people of. Finally, I would like to extend condolences from the Select Board, the town of Scituate, and its citizens to the family of Michael Clark, who passed away last week. He was a member of the Capital Planning Committee and is former member of the Conservation Commission and the Water Resources Committee. I also know that, from reading in the paper, that he was a very active person in other areas throughout the community. It takes a lot of people to make communities like Scituate run, and we appreciate all of his contributions and know that he will be missed greatly, and we are very sorry for his family. Other than that, I think we're done for the day. Thank you, Jim, and thank you, Bill.